Alright, and I have some fresh coriander put on the top. And that's it. My cooking appa Chongqing curry is ready. If you like my video, a mala fish, yeah, or mala grilled fish, whatever you want to call it.
Cooking appa.
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. Today Appa has some guests coming over, so I'm going to make a larger portion of Chongqing grilled fish for them. Basically, it's grilled fish served in a mala broth. Okay, this is not difficult, and when every time I'm making it, I will actually improve it in a slightly different manner or improved version. So first of all, I have 600-700 grams of snapper here. I butterfly cut it, yeah, so that it's easier to cook. Later we will put this into the oven. So this will be the ingredient I'll be putting inside the mala sauce, mala broth together with the fish, some tauge, yeah, bean sprout, some shiitake mushroom, some tofu, some cucumber. So basically there's no rules as to what you can put inside. Put in anything you like, it's really okay, yep. So let's very quickly marinate the fish. I'm going to add in some fine salt. Give it some oil to help the grilling process. Alright, so yes, the oven has been preheated to 180 degrees. I'm going to put in the fish. You can try to make the tray as high as possible so that you can actually grill better on the surface if you want more char. I'm going to grill it for approximately 20 minutes, and let's go and make the sauce. So let me quickly show you how do we make the mala sauce. Yeah, there's few important things here. First of all, we need some spicy bean paste. Yeah, the one I'm using, I got it from Aeon. It is already a mala sauce by itself. Now, it is not enough. If you really want to cook the whole mala dish, you will actually need to add in some. This is 200 grams of mala di liao, which is the hot pot, mala hot pot spices. Yeah, it comes with, I think the one I bought, the whole piece is about 450 grams. This is approximately half of it. And then you will need some fresh ingredient here. Let me show you. I have some minced garlic. Yep, I have some. Let me double check. I have some minced garlic, few pieces of ginger, some green peppercorn, red Sichuan peppercorn. Now the green Sichuan peppercorn is to give the numbness. The red color is to give the peppercorn aroma. Then I have 2 cinnamon sticks, 2 pieces of bay leaf, and few pieces of 2 to 3 pieces of star anise. And I'll be using my cooking appa chicken stock powder here to turn the whole sauce into a chicken stock as well. Yep. So first of all, we are going to add in some oil. This could be a rather oily dish, so for those who are very scared of oil, you'll probably want to control your oil a little bit. Yeah. Even before the oil is heated up, you can already put in all your spices here. Garlic, ginger, Sichuan peppercorn, green and red, star anise. Right, this is after about 1 minute sauteing. I'm now going to add in the spicy bean paste. 2 to 3 tablespoons or even more, depending how much you are cooking. I'm cooking at I'm cooking actually for quite a big amount today. Now anything fermented, like the bean paste here, you will need to go through this stage where you saute it with some hot oil in order to remove some of the earthiness. Yeah, anything fermented will have some earthiness in it. So you need to always saute it with hot oil for a minute or two at least. Then whatever left will be the very nice fragrance. Wow. This is super aromatic right now. Seriously, it smells so good. Next thing, I will be adding in some hot water. I use hot water because I want to speed up the process, yeah. And of course, I want to change this hot water into chicken stock. meaning I'll be adding in my cooking appa chicken stock powder, which is 100% natural ingredient. You can get it from, for those interested, you can actually get it from Shopee, Malaysia or Singapore. Online, yeah? Also, we can now add in the hot pot di liao, yeah, the mala di liao. And we can actually give it some seasoning. I'll be giving a bit of some salt here, a bit of sugar, a bit of light soy sauce, a bit of Shaoxing wine, optional if you ask me. And let's bring this to a boil and let it boil for a couple of minutes before we continue to really allow the mala flavor to really go into the broth. Alright, so my mala sauce, mala broth has been boiling for the past about 3-4 minutes right now. I can start putting in the ingredient, and like I mentioned earlier, there's no rules as to what you want to put inside or what you can put inside. You decide. Yeah, this is your home cooked dinner. And actually this dish outside, it can cost you a bomb. I saw some restaurant charging almost like 200 ringgit. For one fish and then plus a bit of other ingredient here, but seriously, to me, I can make it within 50 ringgit, including the very nice snapper, very fresh snapper that I added in just now. So as to what you want to put down, it is almost like cooking a hot pot. You decide the time. So certain ingredient, the cooking time will be much shorter than the other. So I will cook the tofu first. The rest of the ingredient, I will add it towards the end. And I just found some fuzhou, yeah, fried fuzhou inside my fridge. So I'm going to put it in as well. Wow, look at this beautiful reddish color. I can really smell the mala right now. Alright, so when you start seeing the tofu started to expand, become a little bit bigger, your tofu is almost there. Then we can actually put in, I'm going to add in the cucumber slices. I have the shiitake mushroom. Oh, this is my favorite. Really nice, seriously. Really nice. And like I mentioned earlier, I found some fried fuzhou. Again, this is going to soak out the nice flavor as well. And last but not least, the tauge. Woohoo! Then all you need to do is to press everything down. Give it another about a minute or two, then it is done. All this, once it is softened, it is ready to be eaten. Wow, I can't wait. I really can't wait. Alright, so once all this is softened, the mala broth is ready. And let's go and check my fish. Alright, this is after 20 minutes. I'm in the oven. I'm going to take it out. Oh, the fish is very fresh. I actually did not even put any ginger on top of it, and I don't feel any fishiness as well. Look at this, how beautiful. And all this fishy water we don't want. But we are going to add something onto this also. Alright, so I've moved the fish over to my serving plate here. We are going to give it some seasoning, some chili here. Actually, what the China restaurant will do, they will season all this chili and peppercorn powder and further put it inside the grill, the oven for one more round, for maybe about a minute or two, or a few more minutes, just to give it more enhanced flavor. This is some Sichuan peppercorn powder. So you can put it inside your grill if you want to give it some further flavor. Today I'm not. So next thing, not difficult. We're just going to pour the sauce over. Oh, just going to drench it, banjir it with all the sauce. I like adding cucumber because cucumber can be very crispy, give you some refreshness in your this rather oily dish. Alright, and I have some fresh coriander put on the top, and that's it. My cooking appa Chongqing curry is ready. If you like my video, a mala fish, yeah, or mala grilled fish, whatever you want to call it. If you like my video, do share my video on your Facebook to your friends. Come to Cooking Appa Facebook fan page, you click like and follow button. Follow Appa on Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Appa YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Enjoy your dinner with your family. Bye bye.